Mastering Coding Challenges, a guide for beginners. Hello and welcome to our learning journey. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of coding challenges. These are not just puzzles. They're a way to sharpen your programming skills, prepare for job interviews, and join a global community of problem solvers. Let's explore what coding challenges are and how they can be a game changer in your learning path. Coding challenges are structured problems that require you to write code to solve. They are designed to test your understanding of algorithms, data structures, logic, and your ability to apply these concepts to solve problems. Challenges range from simple tasks for beginners to complex problems that even experts find intriguing. Embarking on coding challenges comes with a host of benefits. They enhance your problem-solving skills, making you think critically and creatively. They are also a staple in technical interviews, where companies assess your coding prowess. Additionally, they're a great way to learn and practice new concepts in a structured and goal-oriented way. Approaching coding challenges can be daunting, but here's how you can tackle them effectively. 1. Understand the problem. Read the problem statement carefully. Identify inputs, outputs, and the exact requirements. 2. Devise a plan. Think about the algorithms or data structures that can be used. Sketch a rough solution. 3. Write the code. Implement your solution in a programming language of your choice. 4. Test your solution. Run your code with test cases, including edge cases, to ensure it works as expected. To excel in coding challenges, consider the following tips. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Learn from others. Review solutions from peers or experts to gain new insights. Participate in competitions. Platforms like Codeforces, LeetCode, and HackerRank host competitions that can simulate real-life coding interviews. Coding challenges are more than just tests. They're a journey of growth, learning, and relentless problem-solving. Whether you're preparing for job interviews or looking to enhance your coding skills, embracing these challenges can lead you to new heights. Happy coding, and may you find joy and satisfaction in every problem you solve.